Hello guys, welcome to my channel today. My name is Anne-Marie and today I am back with another video. Today I will be reviewing the Sambucol Black Elderberry. Now this is great to take in the winter months or if you are feeling a little bit of rundown, if you are suffering from a cold or a flu, or if you think you're about to get a cold or a flu. This will provide a great boost to your immune system. It will provide a great immune system response due to its antibacterial properties. Now, black elderberry, it have a very, what should I say? I don't know. It's not sweet. It's not licorice either. I don't know. I feel like it have the staining effect when you taste it, but it has been scientifically tested to support immunity, and it has very, very, very high antioxidant level. It is a great dietary supplement. I learned about it fairly recently. I did not know about it before, or maybe I've heard about it, but I just didn't really take the time to study it to find out what it is good for. But in this time that we're living in right now, I think this is something that is extremely good to take. I just want you to know that this video is not sponsored. No, Sambucol did not send me this product at all. Now, the instruction is that serving size is take 2 teaspoons, which is, fairly reasonable, and you can take it daily. There are 23 serving per this container, but there are other brands of black elderberry, but I choose to review the Sambucol black elderberry. It is affordable. And just to give you some other facts on it, other ingredients, glucose syrup. When I'm feeling a bit run down, I always try to get some glucose in my body. Well, I haven't in a few years, but I used to do that all the time in high school. It also contains purified water, citric acid, potassium sorbate, and to retard spoilage. This has been manufactured and distributed by Pharmacare US. They are located in San Diego, and I guess if you have questions, you can call them at 1-888-871-1998, and they have their website as well, which is www.sambucolus.com. So this is a great product, It is for daily maintenance for adults or children, but you must be over the year of 4 years old in order, to take it. For intensive use, meaning if you're feeling, I don't know, sick, then you can take it intensively. Take 2 tablespoons 4 times daily. I've never taken 4 teaspoons 4 times daily before. I've only taken 10 milliliter like once per day. If desired, you can also mix the syrup in water. You can mix it in fruit juice. You can mix it in smoothie or yogurt. You can practically mix it in anything. Now, when you buy this, make sure that it is sealed. It should be sealed for your protection. So again, it was a pleasure reviewing Sambucol. Now, if you're feeling sick, go and talk to your doctor because I am not a doctor or a medical profession. I am just reviewing the Sambucol Black Elderberry Syrup. And I know kids and, some adults will not want to take it because they hear the word syrup. And when they hear that word, they think, oh my God, this is something that is so bad. But I encourage you to give it a try. Sambucol Black Elderberry. Build your immune system in this time that we're living in. Build your immune system so that it will be able to serve you better, so that you will be able to feel more energetic. Again, it has been scientifically tested to support immunity, and it is high in antioxidant. Antioxidant is great for the body. I want to thank you so much for watching my video today. Kindly subscribe to my channel, share this video with a friend or a family, and most importantly, leave a comment below and check out my website. Have a great day. Oh, one thing, I want to show you what it looks like. This is actually an empty container. There's really nothing inside. So I'm going to throw the empty container away. There's probably just about a drip. Okay, good. So that's what it's looking like. Wow, I'll have to clean that up. But that's what it's looking like. It's very thick and dark in color. Okay, let me. Yeah, it's very. I don't know if this is a word. Taintish, but sweet. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye. It tastes like fermented grapes, fermented berries. So, yeah, take care.